guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Eprolo for dropshipping. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now for you to start using the Eprolo platform here, we first need to actually create our account. In this case, go to their official website, which is going to be eprolo.com. Now at the top right, you should be able to see the option that says register. In this case, let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here, you need to provide the following information. That includes your email, the password you want to use, and the confirmation of that password. Also, you need to do a simple captcha here. So in this case, if you need to also read and accept the terms and conditions here. So if you want to read it, just click on the link. But in this case, let's go and provide all those details and just click on the sign up button. And as you can see, we've just created our account. Let's going to ask you a few questions here. So in this case, how long have you been engaged in e-commerce business? So in this case, I'm just going to answer. I just started. Are you an individual team or enterprise engaged in e-commerce business? In this case, I'm going to use individual. Now, what is your currently monthly order for a store? So in this case, it has not started to sell. Let's go and click on submit now. Now from here, it's going to say Eprolo key features. So if you want to read more, you could go and click on next here. From here, click on next. And from here, you could go ahead and start reading them. In this case, it is recommended that you read all of them, but for now, let's go ahead and skip them. In this case, we have the following options here. So first is going to be your dashboard. Your dashboard will actually contain the general information about your account. Like for example, your pending orders, your order processing, your total orders right now, product limits, since we're just using the free account here, the balance on your account, eCoin, and the totally paid total amount of paid products here. And from here, you also have the RIC counter here. So if you want to actually get support from them, you can go ahead and use this app here. In this case, if you have the related articles here, if you want to read them, and frequently ask questions for any easy access for any questions that you have. You also have the My Account section. Now, My Account section would contain details about your account. Like for example, your current level here, your reward system, custom packing if you want to allow that, shipping settings, your current balance, your pricing rules, your currency, and affiliate if you want to further earn in the platform. We also have multi-store settings, WooCommerce, inventory, and a lot more. We also have the branding project here. So in this case, Eprolo branding project allows you to create independent brands for 1,000 dropshipping merchants. In this case, we have beginners and for experts. In this case, they could actually add your logo here if you want to. So in this case, this further customizes your brand for your dropshipping business. Now, if you want to find products for your store, you can go to the Find Product section here at the left panel. Now from here, you can just basically choose or search for products that you want to basically sell. So in this case, they have different categories here, like home improvement, consumer, electronic, phone accessories, sports, outdoors, shoes and bags, and a lot more. Now, in this case, at the top right, we have the search function. And if you want to check them out, you can go and click on cart here and just click on shopping. In this case, we are the other sections that we get access here. So let's go and go back. Now, in this case, we also have the products. So in this case, this will actually contain all the products that you have right now. So in this case, if you want to import out the products, you should be able to use this one, but you need to install the plugin. If you want to view your import list, this is where you'll be able to see it. But first, you need to import your products here. If you want to view your products, you should be able to view them in the My Product section. Now, if you have any orders on your store, you can go and choose the Pro orders here. But if you want to import orders, you can go to Import Orders section. Now, in this case, you can either upload or create products here. Now, if you want to get assistance on using the platform, you can actually use the Help Center here at the bottom left and reach out to support or read different articles regarding the actual platform. And that's about it. So those are the basics of Eprolo for dropshipping, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.